Niggas ain't shit. How could you say it any better? Niggas is bullshitting, wearing umbrellas in good weather because they can't see the shade, the sun. These niggas is bullshitting in a fist fight to run. And when it comes down to sex, the bitch said after 20 seconds they'll come. And when it's me, I last about a good 30. Then I'm back in the shower because my lifestyle is still dirty. No, fuck riding dirty. My niggas is riding flirty. We got a whole bunch of bitches trying to suck, but they not worthy. We like that. Up your net worth, up your profit. Stop it. Any rapper want to get put in a coffin, it'll happen. I'm not just bullshitting, but it happens often. And sometimes it's common, but not the backpacker. Niggas is hearing us flowing, they some swagger jackers. Niggas is like, damn, what you said, let me write that down. But then when they get loud, I'm like, nigga, pipe that down.
Pipe that down.
If these niggas really want to get crazy with me, I will straight come through. Put everything in all kind of situations on you. Sometimes I stutter, sometimes my niggas utter. But when it comes down to this beef, these niggas can't handle a steak with butter. I be like, damn, is that what it is, nigga? Who you really trying to touch, kid? Nigga, if Meech gave me a beat, my nigga would do it justice. And I be like, damn, let me get on 16 bars. These niggas see me dipping out the lot with 16 cars, earrings looking like 16 stars. Niggas is like, damn, Chosen, I can't see that far, retards. I be like, damn, you can't even learn. Niggas in slow motion. Niggas is like, Chosen, you in the bed with my girl, why you poking? I'm thrusting, trying to see if she can stroke it. And just like Juvenile, my niggas doing it in slow motion. And that's what it is with this pimp shit. You think I'm Snoop, dogg, but niggas come through and Chosen, spitting with the boss hogs. I got my team with me. Everybody shining. You can do your thing, my nigga. It's all perfect timing.
It's perfect timing. And yeah, we gon' eat quickly. Y'all niggas ain't know. We be on the beach quickly. Yeah. Got the beach from meat so sickly. That's my brother undercover, and y'all niggas can't see me. I'm so sick. My nigga Eddie Gorillo got it locked down 24/7 on the fucking forum. Y'all niggas cocks now. Y'all need to stop staring, cause y'all ain't for him. Shit, y'all niggas owe it. Shit, he be the king. Nigga wear no bling. Shit, we be two niggas that shining about no bullshit. And y'all niggas is whining.
Shit. Niggas is whining. Sick as shit like crybabies. Niggas better off being Muppet babies when I start going crazy. They don't want to see me when it comes down to it. See me on a freestyle, they be like, damn, let me get a pound to it. And then their girlfriend comes through and downs my fluid. Sucking dick like that's the shit. Eating the cock like it's a lollipop. I be like, bitch, you better stop. Shit, her hair be all nappy looking like a mop, but I be fucking off her weed. Put my hand all in it like, bitch, when I fucking bust, please do a handstand on it. And that's what a lot of girls do. I tell my mans on it. Girls be leaving bloodier than a tampon on it. I be like, booty face, this face too. Bitches be like, damn, your outfit is nice. Every hue is blue. And I'm not Jay-Z, but all the shit makes sense. But I'm not 50 Cent, but all the shit makes sense. And niggas get in the freestyle battles and want to make amends. These niggas go to church like Chosen, please repent. And I'm like, I can't do it because money borrowed and never money spent. So when it comes down to my money, don't ask if I'll get it lent. To Mecca.
Yo, shit, man. Just like a magnet, I be sticking together. These motherfuckers ain't seeing kinda like Temecula. Y'all niggas ain't reckless. Just like us, we'll come on the streets, jack you up, and stick your necklace. Nigga, like Cage or Mr. Nicholas. Take your face off, y'all niggas just can't see this shit. Nigga, I must have been blind. Y'all niggas see me running up from behind. I got the Glock in the 9. Shit, one in my pocket, I shoot the rocket. Y'all bitch niggas sucking the cock. So suck real quick.
Niggas is sucking the dick, blasting off like a rocket. Bitch got my picture all in the frame in her locket. And she's saying Chosen, I'm rubbing my clit, and I'm telling her, bitch, stop it. She outside my house screaming, asking when I'm gonna cop it. Come outside, I'm like, bitch, act like a Lolo and drop it. And if she comes closer to me, I'm like, you better stop being obnoxious. And that's the bullshit that happens when I start boxing. And niggas is like, Chosen, you come outside? No, I don't do that often. I go to the club, maybe the pub, get a drink, maybe sit there and jammer. I mean, just be posted up like I'm wearing a bandana. Niggas will see me on the block and be like, Chosen, I don't understand it. And they be like, hey, just like Joel Santana. But my niggas don't play when it comes to the hammers. So if you really got something, spray it. But if not, then shut the fuck up. Don't get walked over. Me and my niggas come through drunk, never fucking sober. And if it comes to some freestyle shit, you will get left over. I'm finished with it.
He's finished with it. Y'all niggas is trash up in the kitchen with it. I'll leave y'all niggas wig splitted with it. Shit, they say I'm off the top of the dome. But y'all niggas ain't running for the Glock in your home. Nah, I bring the Glock in your home. Fucking blow your brains out in the kitchen, leave the blood on the stove. Bitch nigga. It's your boy Young Mack Life. Fucking the chosen one up in the house. Y'all niggas ain't heard. All y'all niggas out there freestyling with your boys in the crowd, nigga. Y'all need to holler at us real niggas, my nigga.
From the east to the west, baby.
Flip on Jen, you know, beat him in the freestyle battle, hands down, my nigga. So holler, you know how we do.
How we do. See us on the street. We ain't inside. We ain't in the studio. Yeah. We out here in the street, nigga. We in a nice ass environment. You know what I mean? We gotta be flossy and bossy. You know what
so how do we have to do this? Do I gotta tell y'all niggas about how we do things, man? Shoot, we gonna make our own interviewing you niggas, right? Right,
okay,
chosen, man. How we gonna do this, man? First, I'm gonna ask you some questions, my nigga.
Okay, I'm gonna have to ask you some questions after.
Okay. Yo, Chosen, tell them something about you, my nigga. You know, shoot, because I'm about to explain myself, but I don't want to.
You know what I mean? Both of us cool because we come from humble beginnings. You know what I mean? We can humble ourselves to be chopping up game like real bosses. You know what I mean? Where everybody else wants to run around putting their ego on MySpace. Right here in these streets, on camera, Dubcnn all day. You know what I mean? You can see us where we at. We're in the streets. Come on, man.
You see us up in the parking lot all day, baby. You know how we do it, man. Me and my nigga Chosen, we up in the streets all day. This your boy Young Mack Life. In case y'all didn't know, it's Young Mack Life.
Where you from? Where you from, G? Where you from, homie?
In case y'all didn't know, come on, man. Y'all need to know who my brother is, nigga. Yo, you need to know who my brother is. Internationally known, legendary Meech Wells, putting it down all day long, nigga. You know, we up in the same building. All the niggas cutting it up, so, you know, shoot.
West Coast.
Yeah, you know, I came back from overseas to fuck with y'all, man. Y'all thought I wasn't coming to fuck with my big bro. I'm back to show y'all niggas what's really happening, man. And shoot, I'm teaming up with real niggas like Chose right here. It's my niggas. See, y'all niggas can't fuck with us, man. So you need to holler at me. You want to get that biography? I ain't gonna give it to you so easy right now. So check this out, Dubcnn. You see your boy, you need to holler at Meech Wells in his own records, baby. Because you know how we do it. Meech, what you gotta say?
You sound like Muhammad Ali. We coming at you like
You see how big bro put it down, nigga, all day. We straight up wetters, nigga. We wet niggas up 24/7.
From the west to the east.
You know,
from SD to LA to New Jersey.
Straight up
where you be. All day, baby.
Would be, nigga. Yo, you know, Chosen and your boy Young Mack, get at us, man.
All day, my nigga.
And go on YouTube, nigga. See that battle with Jen, nigga.
Jen
see what real freestyling is, my nigga.
Chosen.
And there wasn't even no niggas in the audience, just so you know, nigga. So you see the favoritism. Check it out, my nigga.
It ain't nothing. I mean, that's nothing.
So if you want to cut tape, niggas can cut tape.
Serving up game like
West Coast, East Coast, and J-Town, New Jersey stand up all day.
West Coast got real MCs. Got the West Coast shirt on, but it ripped chin. Come on, West Coast got MCs.
Y'all know what it is, nigga. Just like he just said, y'all can't fuck with us, man. You can go get Rough Riders, anybody you want, y'all. They come in his own records, my nigga. We teaming up with real niggas like this in the streets, real young boss down.
You know what I mean? You see me.
So holla at your boy Meech Wells.
Coasting.
Holla at your boy Meech Wells on the fucking MySpace, my nigga. Holla at your boy Young Mack Life on the fucking MySpace, my nigga. You know what it is. You already know the address, my nigga. Dubcnn all day. Holla at my nigga Eddie Guerrillo. You know he stay live with performance 24/7. We're giving up love to y'all Dubcnn because y'all looking out for real. That's how we do it. AG, watch out for your boy, man. I'm gonna give you the documentary soon. Yeah, hey, and the documentary for my nigga Chosen one coming soon too. The niggas ain't seen the behind the scenes, motherfucker.
Alright, turn off the camera.
Yeah, we gotta go, my nigga. We gotta go. We got things to do in the streets. We got real money to make, my nigga. Paparazzi still on us.
I know, they won't stop.